How to download the Windows 10 ISO file. Open your web browser and go to this link. Click on the button, Download Tool Now. Open the file when the download is finished. Wait until the software is ready. Choose the second option, and click on Next. Select the Windows 10 version you want, and click on Next. Choose the option, ISO file, and click on Next. Select the file destination, and click on Save. Wait until the download is finished, this can take a while. Wait until the media has been created. Click on Finish. You have now downloaded the Windows 10 ISO file.